Ladies and gentlemen and ladies and gents, I'm gonna talk to you about something. Got a question for you. Ladies and gentlemen, what is a trust? Trust. What is a trust? Well, first, you must understand that it wasn't originally called a trust. That is a word that was developed over time. Somebody decided to attribute a name to it. A trust is a relationship between three parties, at least. Let me make sure we say that at least three parties. There must be three parties. These three parties are operating in three separate capacities. Pay attention to what I just said. Capacities. Let's talk about the law of capacities. Now, is it an actual law? Of course it is. Most people are unaware of the law. So I've never looked it up before. So let's go ahead and look it up. Y'all don't mind? Give me 1 second. I'm gonna pause y'all. I don't know what he barking at, but I'm about to go out there and slap him silly. Um, he hears all the other dogs and all the birds, and we're about to have this wildflower thing going on again. All right, give me 1 second, y'all. The first thing it tried to do was to tell me that when I went to Google, Google said it was if a person has got the mental capacity to stand trial. Said that was the law of capacity. Knew that was a lie. So ChatGPT, then it brought out that let's tell you what it said when I asked it the same question. In law, this concept of operating in multiple capacities, such as a manager, an accountant, and a bellhop, is often referred to as wearing multiple hats. I didn't ask what it was referred to. I said, what is it called? Not what is it referenced to, moron. So then I asked him again because I told him he was stupid. He didn't know what he was talking about. So he told me, in the context you described, particularly within a trust law, there the term you've referred to is likely dual capacity or multiple capacities when an individual serves in more than one role within the framework of a trust. Okay, multiple capacities, ladies and gentlemen. For instance, when filing taxes, if you are the head of household, you are also a dependent because you take care of yourself. So that's two capacities. But then you're also the taxpayer. That is a third capacity. I've understood this capacity thing for most of my life, but the problem is you all don't understand the multiple capacities. Now, some of you get it because you know that a judge sits in two roles, an administrative role and a judicial role and a personal role. Pay attention. They could act as an administrative judge handling administrative issues, which they do most of the time, such as traffic court. That's administrative. That's not judicial. Ladies and gentlemen, traffic court is not judicial. It's administrative. The codes for which they're charging you with, the traffic laws, those are administrative laws. Those are not laws. Those are not judicial enforcement laws. Those are codes. That's by agreement. You agreed to be bound by that junk. Okay? That's administrative. A judge sits in a dual capacity. But you guys are sitting up there arguing with the judge, I challenge your jurisdiction. No, I just need to know what the jurisdiction is. Are you operating in an administrative capacity or judicial capacity? If you're operating in a judicial capacity, then that changes things. Because now I need to know how to address you. See, if you're in a judicial capacity, that means you're here under oath. And if you're in an administrative capacity, you're under oath, but your oath is to the administrative procedures and policies. Now, did you know that the administrative procedures and policies don't apply to me? I'm not an administrative agency, and I'm not here in the capacity of administrative agency. But if you want me to be in a capacity of administrative agency, hold on 1 second. And then you just simply put on your hat. You can even pretend to put on the hat. All right, I'm here representing the estate. What can I do for you? Oh, you have a bill the estate needs to pay? No problem. Go ahead and send me the bill and I'll offset it. No problem. Ladies and gentlemen, it's capacities. If only you all would do your research, you'd be able to accomplish much. Now, look, this wasn't supposed to be a long video. It's been a very long day. I just spent 5 hours in town and I've been back for a minute and I'm going to go lay down because it's just one of those days when I want to be all alone. Monica, that's my girl. All right, gotta go. Y'all take care, okay? Law of capacities. Go look it up. Bye bye.